Hello students, how are you all? I'm sure you all are doing really good. So children, let's begin with our next chapter, which is direct and indirect speech. Direct speech reports the exact word of the speaker. In indirect or reported speech, we report what the speaker said without quoting his exact words. Direct. Ashok said, I want to become a doctor. Indirect. Ashok said that he wanted to become a doctor. We make some changes when we refer to time, place, personal pronoun and possessive. Adjectives, the inverted commas are not used in direct speech. डायरेक्ट स्पीच जो होती है ये आपको किसी पर्सन के द्वारा कही गई होती है, ठीक है. आप उसी बात को अपने शब्दों में थर्ड पर्सन को कहते हो तो वो आपकी रिपोर्टेड स्पीच या इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच कहलाती है. जैसे कि अशोक ने मुझसे कहा कि वो क्या बनना चाहता है, डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है, ठीक है. अब अशोक ने मुझसे कहा कि आई वॉन्ट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, बट ये बात मैं थर्ड पर्सन को जाके बोलूँगी तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी कि उसने मुझसे कहा कि वो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है, ठीक है. मैं उसकी बात सेम एज इट इज़ नहीं बोलूँगी कि मैं डॉक्टर बनना चाहती हूँ. मैं थर्ड पर्सन को बोलूँगी कि वो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता है. तो मैंने उसकी बात को क्या किया, अपने शब्दों में कोट किया, ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे हम चेंजेस करते हैं टाइम, प्लेस, पर्सनल प्रोनाउन के बेस्ड पे. Rules for changing direct into indirect speech. If the reporting verb in the principal clause is in the past tense and third person, the following rules are observed. The reporting verb is in the past tense. Verb changes in indirect speech as follow. Is, are, am, was, were, had been, no change. Has, have, had no change. Do, did, had done, no changes. Will, shall, would, should, may, can, might, could. The simple present in changed into the simple past. Direct, the boy said I like sweet. Indirect, the boy said that he liked sweet. ठीक है. अगर आपका सिंपल प्रेजेंट है, आप उसको सिंपल पास्ट में कन्वर्ट करना चाहते हो तो आपका डायरेक्ट में बोला गया जो शब्द है वो प्रेजेंट पे है, लेकिन इनडायरेक्ट में आप उसको पास्ट में दिखाओगे. द प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस इज चेंज इनटू द पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस. ठीक है. इसी तरीके से आपका प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस किस में चेंज हो जाता है, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में चेंज हो जाता है. जैसे डायरेक्ट, ही सेड माई मदर इज कुकिंग फूड. इनडायरेक्ट, ही सेड दैट हिज मदर वॉज कुकिंग फूड, क्योंकि उसने जब बताया तो उसकी मदर फूड कुक कर रही थी, लेकिन जब मैं थर्ड पर्सन के पास गया या उससे मिला तो उसकी मम्मी फूड कुक कर चुकी थी. The present perfect is a change into the past perfect. Direct, they said we have finished our homework. Indirect, they said that they had finished their homework. ठीक है. आपका present perfect भी past perfect में change हो जाता है. The present perfect continuous is changed into the past perfect continuous. Direct, he said I have been waiting for here for a long time. Indirect, he said that he had been waiting there for a long time. आपका प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस भी पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में चेंज हो जाता है. द सिंपल पास्ट इन द डायरेक्ट समटाइम्स रिमेन्स अनचेंज इन द इनडायरेक्ट एंड समटाइम इज चेंज इनटू द पास्ट परफेक्ट. डायरेक्ट, ही सेड आई बॉट अ हाउस इन न्यू दिल्ली. इनडायरेक्ट, ही सेड दैट ही हैड बॉट अ हाउस इन न्यू दिल्ली. Direct, he said I had a wonderful dream last night. Indirect, he said that he had a wonderful dream the previous night. The past continuous in the direct becomes the past perfect continuous. Direct, he said Ashok was swimming in the pool. Indirect, he said that Ashok had been swimming in the pool. Pronouns and possessive adjectives of the first and second person in the direct are changed into the third person in the indirect. Direct, he said I shall pay your wages tomorrow. Indirect, he said that he would pay his wages the next day. Direct, the teacher said to the boys, if you do your best, you will surely pass. Indirect, the teacher told the boys that if they did their best, they would surely pass. If the person addressed reports the speech himself, then the second person is changed into the first. Direct, he said to me, you have not done your duty. Indirect, you told me that I had not done my duty. The nominative of address in the direct becomes the person spoken to in the indirect. Direct, he said, Mary, I am going to post office. Indirect, he told Mary that he was going to the post office. Certain words expressing nearness are changed into words expressing distance. now becomes then, this becomes that, these becomes those, here becomes these, thus becomes so, ago becomes before, today becomes that day, tomorrow becomes the next day, yesterday becomes the day before or the previous day, last night becomes the night before or the previous night, last week, month, year, etc. becomes the week, month, year, etc. before or the previous week, month, ईयर एक्सेट्रा। तो बच्चों यहाँ पे हमें बताया गया कि कैसे हम टाइम को शो करते हैं, जैसे नाउ का देन बन जाता है, इस तरीके से वीक वगैरह भी हमारे चेंज होते हैं, नाइट, दीज, दोज, ये सब भी हम चेंज करते हैं। डायरेक्ट, ही सेड आई शैल बी ग्लैड टू बी हियर टुमारो। इनडायरेक्ट, ही सेड दैट ही वुड बी ग्लैड टू बी हियर द नेक्स्ट डे। Direct, they said we are busy now but we shall have more time next week. Indirect, they said that they were busy then but they would have more time the next following week. Statements. Statement in indirect speech are generally introduced by the conjunction that. Direct, he said to me, I have never seen such a lazy boy as you. Indirect, he told me that he had never seen such a lazy boy as I. अब स्टेटमेंट्स को जब हमें दर्शाना होता है तो हम कंजक्शन दैट वहाँ पे यूज़ करते हैं, ठीक है। पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर, दीज आर 3 स्टेटमेंट्स इन विच even if the reporting verb is in the past tense, we do not change the tense in the reported speech. अगर हमारी स्पीच जो है पास्ट टेंस में है तो हम उसे इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कभी कभी चेंज नहीं करते। A, the reported speech expresses a universal truth or a habitual act. Example, the teacher said to us water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Direct speech, universal truth. The teacher told us that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. B, the reported speech has 2 clauses, both in the past. Example, Reena said to me, Neha was tired, so she didn't go out to play with friends. Reena told me that Neha was tired, so she didn't go out to play with friends. C, the reported speech describes a situation which still exists when the speech is reported. Example, Mr. Gupta said, all the flights are delayed due to heavy rains. Mr. Gupta said that all the flights are delayed due to heavy rain. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे ध्यान देने वाली बात यह है कि हमारी जो डायरेक्ट स्पीच में जो हमारा सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में कोई वर्ड है तो कभी कभी वो चेंज नहीं होता। कब चेंज नहीं होता? जब हम यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ बता रहे होते हैं या कोई हैबिचुअल एक्ट बता रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, या फिर हम बताते हैं हमारे 2 क्लॉजेस के बारे में जो पास्ट में हुए थे, या फिर हम ऐसी स्पीच, ऐसी सिचुएशन बताते हैं जो अभी भी एग्जिस्ट करती है जब आपकी स्पीच जो है वो रिपोर्ट की जा रही है। तो बच्चों यहाँ पे आपको एक एक्सरसाइज दी गई है जिसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे। Now let's move on to our next topic, which is questions. When reporting a question in the direct speech, the introductory verb is changed to ask, inquire, demanded, etc. Whether or if is used after such introductory verbs whenever the question begins with have, has, may, do, did, is, are, etc. and when the answer is to these questions is either yes or no. All questions beginning with interrogative words like how, why, where, who, which, when, etc. do not take the word whether or if. The question mark is dropped. Direct, they said to me, what is your name? Indirect, they asked me what my name was. Direct, she said to me, why did you insult me in the presence of my husband? Indirect, she demanded of me why I had insulted her in presence of her husband. Direct, the teacher said, have you done your homework? Indirect, the teacher asked it, I had done my homework. Direct, he said to me, will you come and play cards with me tomorrow? Indirect, he asked me whether I would come and play cards with him the next day. अब बच्चों क्वेश्चन वाले जो आपके इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंस होते हैं वो कैसे आप डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करते हो ये हम जान लेते हैं, ठीक है। जब भी आप रिपोर्टिंग स्पीच को इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो है उसको आप इनडायरेक्ट में चेंज करते हो तो आपका इंट्रोगेटरी वर्ब जो है वो चेंज हो जाता है आस्क, इंक्वायर, डिमांडेड, एक्सेट्रा, ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें आप बोलते हो कि उसने मुझसे पूछा या उसने मुझसे डिमांड किया या उसने मुझसे इंक्वायर किया। यहाँ पे आपके इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्वेश्चन मार्क जो है वो हट जाता है। इससे रिलेटेड आपको एक्सरसाइज दी गई है जिसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे। नाउ कमांड्स एंड रिक्वेस्ट। In reporting a command or request in the indirect speech, the interrogative verb is changed into request, beg, entreat, order, command, advise, threaten, etc. The verb in the reported speech is put into the infinitive. Direct, he said to the student, do not make a noise. Indirect, he forbade the students to make a noise. Direct, I said to the teacher, please explain this question to me. Indirect, I requested the teacher to explain that question to me. Direct, call the witness, said the magistrate. Indirect, the magistrate ordered them to call the witness. Direct, the teacher said to the student, work hard and be regular in your studies. Indirect, the teacher advised to the students to work hard and be regular in their studies. Direct, the rebel said to the king, pardon my fault, sir. Indirect, the rebel begged the king to pardon my fault. Direct, shoot the prisoner, said the tyrant. Indirect, the tyrant commanded them to shoot the prisoner. When let in the direct speech expresses a proposal or suggestion, we may use should and change the reporting verb into propose or suggest. Direct, she said, let us have some music. Indirect, she proposed or suggested that they should have some music. अगर आप डायरेक्ट स्पीच में कोई सजेशन दे रहे हो या परमिशन मांग रहे हो, एडवाइस मांग रहे हो, तो वो आप एज इट इज़ अपने इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में क्या करते हो, रिप्रेजेंट करते हो. ठीक है, जैसे उसने मुझसे पूछा, उसने मुझसे एडवाइस किया, या उसने मुझसे सजेस्ट किया, या उसने हमें कमांड दी. तो बच्चों से रिलेटेड आपको एक छोटी सी एक्सरसाइज यहाँ पे दी गई है जिसकी प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे. नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज एक्सक्लेमेशन एंड विशेस. In reporting a wish or exclamation in the indirect speech, the interrogative verb is changed into wish, bless, pray, cry, exclaim, declare, etc. With such phrases as with regret, with delight or joy, with sorrow added where necessary. Interjections and exclamations such as oh, well, hooray, alas, bravo, curse it are omitted and their sense is expressed by means of phrases. Direct, what a terrible storm it is, he said. Indirect, he exclaimed that it was a terrible storm. Direct, she said, alas, how foolish I have been. Indirect, she confessed with regret that she had been very foolish. Direct, she said, oh, for a glass of ice water. Indirect, she cried out for a glass of ice water. Direct, he said, God save the king. Indirect, he prayed that God might save the king. Direct, he said, how I wish they could come. Indirect, he exclaimed that he wished they would come. Direct, they said, hooray, we won the match. Indirect, they exclaimed with delight that they had won the match. Indirect, he said, bravo, you have done well. Indirect, he applauded him saying that he had done well. तो बच्चों इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस की ही तरह जहाँ पे आप पंक्चुएशन मार्क लगाते हो वहाँ से आप पंक्चुएशन मार्क हटा देते हो. किसमें? इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. इसी तरह से एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क भी हट जाता है आपके इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच में. ठीक है, जब आप किसी भी स्पीच को, किसी भी कहीं भी बात को क्या कर रहे होते हो, रिपोर्ट कर रहे होते हो, तो वहाँ पे आप एक्सक्लेम्ड, कन्फेस ऐसे वर्ड्स आप यूज़ करते हो. तो बच्चों आई होप आपको ये चैप्टर अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा. अब इसका रिवीजन और दी गई एक्सरसाइज की प्रैक्टिस आप खुद से करेंगे.